Welcome to the Grammar Challenge. Which tense fits the sentence, I studying for 2 hours?
The correct answer is have been studying. Present perfect continuous shows an action continuing until now.
Which tense fits the sentence, she here since 2020?
The correct answer is has been working. Present perfect continuous shows duration for ongoing actions.
Which tense fits the sentence, they for the bus for 30 minutes?
The correct answer is have been waiting. Present perfect continuous shows actions still continuing.
Which tense fits the sentence, he all day so he is tired?
The correct answer is has been running. Present perfect continuous shows duration and current effect.
Which tense fits the sentence, I reading a lot this week?
The correct answer is have been reading. Present perfect continuous shows temporary ongoing activity.
Which tense fits the sentence, we English for 5 years?
The correct answer is have been learning. Present perfect continuous shows action started in the past and continues.
Which tense fits the sentence, she for the bus since 7 a.m.?
The correct answer is has been waiting. Present perfect continuous shows duration with since.
Which tense fits the sentence, they, the house all morning?
The correct answer is have been cleaning. Present perfect continuous shows ongoing action with visible result.
Which tense fits the sentence, he painting the wall, that's why it's wet?
The correct answer is has been painting. Present perfect continuous shows recently stopped action with current effect.
Which tense fits the sentence, I calling her every day this week?
The correct answer is have been calling. Present perfect continuous shows repeated action continuing until now.